So, what's our motto?
If it doesn't bring you joy,
out the
you
door.
go.
This is Joey,
This is Mike.
and we're in our mobile backpack. Today, we're doing one of the best upgrades you can possibly do in your RV. That's a new bed. You know, if you go full-time in an RV, you know that the beds that they supply with them are real iffy. They're real thin foam. This ours was anyway. So, and most of the people I've talked to, it's that way. We found the place in Phoenix. This is a Mattress Factory, and they make RV mattresses. You pull your mattress, you can pull your RV up front, and they'll take the mattress right out of it, and they'll size it up, and you get your choice how firm, how soft you want it, cushion, what kind of batting you want, the whole thing. It's done quickly while you're here, and the prices are unbeatable. They're so much less than the retailers are. It's a great value. It's a good way to go. So that's why we're here. Okay. So what's our motto?
If it doesn't bring you joy,
out the
you
door.
go.
So this was the original mattress. They gave us a fresh one when we bought this. It's brand new, but you know, it's been a year or so. And let's face it, it just isn't much of a mattress, right? Just bam, that's it. So it's time to get something nice in here and get rid of this stuff. Fortunately, we got this 3-inch memory foam, which has worked out well. Without this, we'd never be able to sleep on this.
You're good on the sides and
Good on
everything?
the sides.
Okay. Let's just take
Wait,
let's
no.
just take it.
Yeah.
Here she goes, out
Wait,
the door.
It really was just a piece of foam.
That's all it is. It should go straight on here.
Okay, platform's waiting for the new mattress. It'll be about an hour, and it'll be ready to go, and a nice sleep tonight. So here is all the different sizes and mattresses and beds that you could have made with the material, the foam, the padding, even latex, which is kind of cool. We're looking forward to what our new mattress will look like and the firmness of it whenever we get all done. So, as you can see, here's like all the different layers that can go into making this mattress. And then the actual manufacturing floor, where they actually sew the matting directly to the foam. They create the foam by putting the seams and so forth in it. It's really kind of a cool process. I'm so glad Mike found this on the internet. Here's all the different padding. I mean, just any thickness and size that you may want. Foam thickness and size. And then just putting it together, making brand new beds.
Shows the needles.
Yep.
You see all the needles. Come this way.
That's cool. Oh,
Coming
wow.
down,
Cool.
that's it. Take it flat and you'll see the other
So this
side
is
of
the matting that it's doing the matting part, right?
Well, this is taking the foam, putting it to that for the sides and some of the applications.
Cool. Pretty nifty. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Like if they were making them at the box spring? Yep. Okay. And this is where they sew the matting? They actually sew it together and put the bindings on. Pretty awesome. And a finished product. Well, here's our old mattress.
little bit narrower, maybe.
Yeah.
How about the width? About the same.
The 19 inches?
Yeah.
Those are pretty close.
Yeah.
7 and 9.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. There it is. Cuts like butter, huh? Cuts like butter, yeah. I mean, you can always use it. Oh, look at
Beautiful.
that. Easy peasy.
That was way fast.
Are you doing a video or
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Yeah,
Okay.
YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Corner here, bottom right.
You should go first. No, I go first because that's going to be. It doesn't matter which side. Yeah.
Here it goes, the brand new mattress. Look how pretty. There's Jim helping
he's
out.
pretty too.
Yes, he is.
Yeah, or get it as close as you want. Oh, we're close enough. Here, yeah. I'll get it from the bottom.
I got it.
You want me up there? Yeah. It'll bend just like the other one did. It's not going to hurt it to press it down. No.
Yeah, very happy.
That's why they're almost. So that's what a pain in the butt it is to try to make it. You know what I mean?
Ah,
It's okay. Oh, all right. So this is fixed. Like, you got a little room here.
Well, you're going to want to slide it like you said. Is something under there?
Yeah.
You're going to want to, like you said, you're going to want to slide it that way.
See, we got a little room here. But see, if I do this, and this is all the way over here, which is great.
That's what you want.
Yeah, that's what we want. So this is okay.
Yeah, you actually.
Yeah, like that.
So open your door, make sure everything's good. You need help putting that.
Yeah, that goes
You need
all the way
help putting
through.
that piece back in.
yeah.
So we got the mattress done, and they were more than willing to put our topper. We have a 3-inch memory foam topper. They were more than willing to put that in the mattress case when they built it for us, but we didn't want that way. The reason is it's hard to make this bed all through 3 corners. It's hard to get access to. You can't stand. So what we do is we tuck everything underneath the mattress topper. Oh my gosh, what a difference. This is so much nicer. This is set up just for us, and the firmness a little bit firmer like we wanted it.
Oh my gosh, look at it, doesn't crush.
Doesn't crush, it's good stuff. It's high-end foam. They did a wonderful job. I'm very happy.
In under an hour.
Under an hour, it took them to make the whole mattress for us, set this up, cut it, everything. Wonderful, and it was a great price, and they took care of us. It was real nice.
Very nice. Beautiful work.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
Customed.
Custom.
Okay, what do you think, babe?
Oh, it's comfy.
Feels.
It's good support.
Support.
It's much more comfortable. Yeah, much
Yep.
better.
I'm ready
Yep.
for a nap. Are you?
Okay.
All
All
right.
right.
Night.
Mattress Factory Inc., 2910 North 30th Avenue, Phoenix, Arizona, 602-272-9871. These people are the best, and so is Dodie.
Thank
Thank you,
you
guys.